another pattern related with the mathematical operation. Okay, so same pattern, that means problem solving by substitution. Here you also substitute another symbol by replacing the original symbol which is given in your question paper, right? But the pattern is something different from the previous two types of a question. It is given that what implies that. Implies that means it is not definitely true. That means it may be true. Okay, implies that. That means A greater than equals to B. Suppose an example is given to us, A greater than equals to B. That implies that what? A may be greater than what? B, or that implies that A may be what? Equals to what? B, right? So in the similar way, we find this one implies that which one? Okay, A copyright B into C. So first of all, code it. That means substitute the original symbol A. Copyright. Copyright means not less than. Not less than means what? Greater than equals to B. Then into. Into means greater than. Put greater than symbol here C. Right. This is your original expression which is given in the question paper. You have to choose following expression which is equals to. That means nearly equals to or equals to. It is not exactly search for the definitely equals to, right? Then come to this one, A. This one can be written as what? A copyright. Copyright means not less than means greater than equals to B. Then phi. Phi means what? Equals to what? C. See, here first part is the same, but second part B equals to C. So this is cancelled. Right? It is required to show that B is greater than C. This one is cancelled. So second one, that implies that A triangle. Triangle means what? Less than. Then B copyright. Copyright means not less than means greater than equals to. Greater than equals to what? C. Okay. A triangle. A triangle means A less than B. Then B copyright means not less than, that means greater than equals to C. So here this may be satisfied, but this part is not satisfied. First part is not satisfied. Completely given that what? A greater less than B, but it is given that what? A greater than equals to B. I think second part may be satisfied. That means we may take B greater than C. Right? The first part is completely not satisfied with the question. So this one is cancelled. Right? Then C, A into means what? Greater than C. A greater than C. Then plus means what? Not greater than, that means not greater than means less than equals to what? B. Right? You check every element, that means the elements are not in the order of the question. Right? ABC is given in the question, but it is given that ACB. So here you compare. See, when you compare A to C in the question, A greater than C. Here is also A greater than C. Alright. Then when you combine, that means compare between B and C, B is greater than equals to C, B may be greater than. Okay, it is satisfied. I think it is satisfied. Okay, B to C, B greater than C, we may take B greater than C, and A to B, A to B not defined exactly in the question, but when you compare what? A to C, so this part, I think this is somehow same with this one, right? So next check CBA, that means C cross mark means greater than B greater than A. So that means if you write less than B less than C, so not correct. I think C is your answer. Right, C probably your answer. That means somehow match with what? This one. When you compare A to C, A greater than, A to C, A greater than, right? Then B to C, B is greater than equal to C. It is also represented greater than, somehow true but not exactly true. So I think this is your answer. That means C is your answer, which is equals to, not definitely, not 100% equals to, somehow equals to this one, right? So hence this is your answer. Your answer is what? C. Right? Okay, this is all about what? Different types of mathematical operation and problem solving by substitution. Okay, and different questions related with the mathematical reasoning. Okay, thank you all.